تاسې له SBS پښتو سره یاست.
په انګلیسي ژبه پوهیدل او خبرې کولای شي په استرالیا کې ستاسو د ژوند کیفیت لوړ کړي. SBS د انګلیسي ژبې د زده کړې پودکاسټونه لري او په هغو کې ورځنی مهم اصطلاحات او داسې نور مهم مطالب تشریح کوي. د دغو پودکاسټونو په اوریدلو سره خپل مهارتونه لوړ کړئ او ځان له ورځنیو اصطلاحاتو او د ژبې اړوند نورو مهمو مسایلو سره بلد کړئ. د SBS د انګلیسي ژبې د زده کړې یا Learn English وروستی پودکاسټ واورئ.
The tap wouldn't stop dripping, and learning English helped me explain it to the plumber.
SBS acknowledges the traditional custodians of country and their connections and continuous care for the skies, lands and waterways throughout Australia.
Your tap won't stop dripping. The water in your shower gets weaker after a few minutes. Or maybe your kitchen sink is full of water which won't go down. These are common problems at home that can quickly turn into big headaches. Hi, I'm Kate, and in this episode, we're practicing everyday English you can use when talking about plumbing problems. Plumbing is the pipes and systems at home that bring in fresh water and take dirty water away. A person who fixes pipes, toilets and water problems is a plumber. In Australia, we sometimes call them a tradie, short for a tradesperson. You know who's having a plumbing problem today? Claire. She's standing in her bathroom, staring at the tap as it drips, drip, drip into the sink. She sighs, grabs her phone and calls her plumber, Alan.
My tap in the bathroom won't stop dripping. It's driving me crazy.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too serious. It could just be wear and tear, a worn-out washer maybe.
I see. What am I looking at to fix it roughly?
I can't say now. I can give you a ballpark figure once I see it. Do you want me to swing by this afternoon?
Like Claire, we all have small problems at home. Things break or stop working and we need someone to fix them. To get the best help, it's important to explain the problem clearly. So, let's look at some useful phrases we can use when talking to a plumber. First, Claire said,
My tap in the bathroom won't stop dripping.
If water is dripping, it means small drops of water are falling slowly, one by one. Or another way of saying this is,
The tap keeps leaking.
If something keeps happening, it means it happens again and again and doesn't stop easily. And if water is leaking from somewhere, it is slowly coming out from somewhere to a place where it shouldn't go, so that even when you turn it off, the water still comes out in small drops. You could also say,
There's a constant drip.
This means the same thing. The water keeps coming out slowly, or we can say, it keeps dripping. Claire also said,
It's driving me crazy.
If something is driving you crazy, it's very annoying and hard to ignore. You can use this phrase whenever something keeps bothering you or makes you feel frustrated. For example, I love spending time on my balcony, but the traffic noise drives me crazy. Or maybe your kids drive you crazy in school holidays. So far, we have talked about water that is dripping or leaking. That's just one example of a plumbing problem you can have at home. There are so many others, and it's useful to know how to describe them clearly. For example, you might have this problem.
The shower pressure is really low.
If your shower pressure is really low, the water is only coming out very weakly, not strongly. Or this one.
The toilet keeps running.
If your toilet keeps running, the water keeps flowing into the basin even after you have finished flushing. To flush the toilet is to press the button or pull the lever that sends water quickly through the toilet to clean it. Let's look at a few more examples of problems you might have.
The sink is blocked.
If your sink is blocked, then the water doesn't go down the drain properly because something is stopping it. The drain is the opening at the bottom of the sink where the dirty water goes away.
The drain smells bad.
This means there's an unpleasant smell coming from the pipes. These are all common problems and phrases we can use to help the plumber understand what's wrong. Let's go back to our dialogue. Alan said,
It could just be wear and tear.
Wear and tear is the damage that happens slowly over time to something that's used a lot. It's not sudden damage. It's the kind of damage that can be expected after something has been used a lot. The other day, my washing machine stopped working. It is very old, so I expect the damage is just wear and tear, and I probably have to get a new one. Alan also said,
It could just be a worn-out washer.
Washer is a small rubber circle inside the tap that seals the flow of water. To seal is to prevent water or air from getting through. A worn-out washer is a common cause of dripping taps. Then Claire asked,
What am I looking at to fix it, roughly?
Here, Claire is asking for an approximate price. You could also say,
Can you give me an estimate?
An estimate is an approximate idea of how much something will cost, not an exact number. You could also ask,
What's the ballpark figure for this repair?
A ballpark figure is like an estimate. It's a rough number that's close enough but not exact. At the end of the dialogue, Alan said,
I can't say now. I can give you a ballpark figure once I see it. Do you want me to swing by this afternoon?
To swing by means to visit someone or some place for a short time. It's informal and friendly. You can use it when you want to visit someone quickly because you're already nearby or when the visit is short and informal and doesn't need much planning. So in this context, Alan is offering to come to Claire's place later that day for a quick visit to check the problem. Wow, we covered a lot of phrases today. Let's listen to the dialogue once more and then we'll practice.
My tap in the bathroom won't stop dripping. It's driving me crazy.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too serious. It could just be wear and tear. A worn-out washer, maybe?
I see. What am I looking at to fix it, roughly?
I can't say now. I can give you a ballpark figure once I see it. Do you want me to swing by this afternoon?
It's time to practice. See if you remember the meaning before hearing the answer. What is wear and tear?
Wear and tear is the damage that happens slowly over time to something that's used a lot.
If you ask for a ballpark figure, you're asking for...
If you ask for a ballpark figure, you're asking for an approximate estimate, not an exact one.
Now, let's listen and repeat some phrases to explain our plumbing problems.
The shower pressure is really low.
The toilet keeps running.
The sink is blocked.
The drain smells bad.
Did you know that we've created a bonus episode just for extra speaking practice? You can check it out at sbs.com.au/learnenglish, where you'll also find learning notes and transcripts. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Just search for SBS Learn English. I'm Kate, and thanks for learning English with me. Hopefully no plumbing problems today, but if there are, now you know what to say.
که غواړئ دغه سنوري کیسې هم اورئ نو د خپل پودکاسټ، ګوګل پودکاسټ یا هم د خپل خوښي پر پودکاسټ یې واورئ.